Hi, I am T. Vignesh and I am from Hyderabad. I have completed my B.TECH at IIT College of Engineering and Technology in the year of 2025 with a specialization of Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. And I have joined in Jspiders in the month of July 2025 and I have enrolled in a course called Java Full Stack Development. And coming to the my trainers, I have taken training from Core Java, from PAPALA, Web Technology, Rashman and React.js, GitHub and SQL, Karishma. And coming to the mock interviews and some presentations helped me a lot to improve my confidence. And we have different groomings before the drive so that we get all the revision of our topics which we have learned before. And coming to the apti classes, I have attended the classes of Chaitanya ma'am, which helped me a lot to clear the first rounds of interview. So coming to the HRs, they helped me a lot by for knowing the requirement details, and they are very interactive so that they have added to so many companies so that I have attended. So thank you, Jspiders, Punjagutta.